In this video, I'll show you how to stream Peacock on Roku. Step 1. Open Roku Channel Store. Turn on your Roku device and press the Home button on the remote. Use the navigation buttons to go to Streaming Channels and open the Channel Store. Step 2. Search and install Peacock. Use the search bar to type Peacock and locate the app. Select Add Channel to download and install the Peacock app on your Roku device. Step 3. Log in and stream. Open the Peacock app and log in using your account credentials. Browse through the library and start streaming your favorite shows. If Peacock doesn't appear in the search, ensure your Roku is updated. Restart your Roku device if the app doesn't work after installation. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions, leave them down below.